Maya relies on the expertise of Scheuch, the specialist for air pollution control and filter technology. Scheuch's experts maintain the systems at regular intervals. This ensures maximum efficiency and optimum functionality. Our technician, Max, has quick and easy access to the extensive regional spare parts stock when required. Equipped with the latest tools, Max checks the sensors and all key parameters. From system development to production and service, Scheuch offers everything from a single source. With this comprehensive expertise, Max ensures that the Scheuch filter system at Maya will release only clean air into the environment for decades to come. At Scheuch, we don't just focus on innovative technology. Our comprehensive service and maintenance program ensures that your Scheuch system is an investment for decades to come. You benefit from maximum system availability and minimized life cycle cost. A complete worry-free package from Scheuch, made for you. Place your trust in Scheuch original spare parts and benefit from maximum service life thanks to the exclusive use of high-quality materials. As part of the Scheuch customer training courses, valuable process expertise from Scheuch is imparted in a practical manner, whether on-site, in a webinar, or directly at your plant. With our retrofit service, we renew your existing systems in a sustainable and resource-efficient way, without the need for new investment. We regularly carry out a professional system check. With the help of remote assistance, we are at your side anywhere in the world.